So to install Unix Redhat Linux, I have to double click here. You can double click or click here and click start and wait. So Linux that is starting. So it will ask me to choose which option I want. I use the mouse key, the up arrow, so I choose install, then okay. So I will be waiting. So many messages will come. So I have to choose the language. It is English by default, English United States. Then I click continue. Then I can change the date and the time. I click here, date and the time. So I can choose the time from Africa. So in Rwanda is almost here. I click here. Then, or I can change the time here. I can say that it is 7 AM or PM, no problem. I can put AM like this, and then I can put it done. So Kigali is almost here, no problem. Then I click done. The language are put. If you want to change it, you can change it here. The keyboard is English, is okay. software selection, you can select the software. If you put a minimal install, it will install the default software. So I can leave it like this. So here there is no network connected here, so I choose installation destination. So I click here. After that I can choose to install my software automatically configure the partitioning. So it will choose the default partitioning. This will be done automatically by the operating system. I don't have to partition manually. So if you click here, you configure partitioning. It means that you partition it manually, so you according to your needs. So I choose automatically, configure the partitioning, then I click done. Then here it will ask me that I am having only space 935 space. So I can put reclaim space. Can click reclaim space. So reclaim space, I am having a space here 8.19 GB. So here I can delete everything which is there. I delete everything. After deleting, what I have to do, I have to click reclaim space. So you see, as I'm having this Windows, it means that I can proceed with the installation. I click begin. So the installation has started here. So I can put the root password. I can also create users. The root password, I put any password. I can put UG, lowercase UG. So then done. It is saying that I created the weak password. You should create a very strong password. So I can change it. I can put UG in lowercase UG 20. It must have at least 8 characters. UG 20, like this. So after 20, in order to be strong, I put a %. They put a %. They say that it is still weak, so I can change it. I can put UG, so U is uppercase, G lowercase, and UG 20 %. Sandy, it is still weak. So what I have to do, I have to type again. Can I type UG 20 %. And here UG 20 ampersand, like this. So after that I have to click done here. I can create also user. Can put a new user. I say dt. So the username will be got it. Password I can put the same as u g, or I can put a password almost the same as my username. I put the G A T E T E 20 the percent G A T E T E 20 ampersand, like this, and then I click done. Then I will have to wait the installation. So when the installation is finished, you will find a message, you get a message like this. Then you reboot. Then we have to start the first, this one. I log in with the username root. The default username is root. It is a built-in username. I put the password. I put U G 2020 %. So you see, as you type the password is not displayed on the screen. So here I log in. I log in to Red Hat. So my Red Hat is working. So now this means that my Red Hat has been successfully installed. Now let's see how we can install Ubuntu or Linux Mint. So to install Ubuntu or Linux Mint, I'm going to create a new VirtualBox machine. So I click on machine, then new, and then I call it Linux Ubuntu, like this. This is also a very popular Linux. I choose a type, it is Linux. I put the platform 64-bit and then click next. So to choose RAM default of 1024, so I can increase it, no problem. And then next, I choose create a new virtual hard disk. I click create, and then I choose a VirtualBox disk image because I'm going to install my Linux using disk image. Then I click next. Again, I choose dynamic color allocated image that will change. This is of the VirtualBox. The VirtualBox machine will increase according to the content. As you add the content, the size will increase also. Then I click next. So by default it will take 10 GB disk space. Okay. After that, I have to do what? I have to start it. I select it. I am having two VirtualBox machines. This is the first one. This is the second one. So I choose the second one and I click start. You see that it is starting, so I can add the image. I click here, then click add, then I am going to choose Ubuntu 18, this one. Then I click open, then I click choose. Then you will see that the image name is this one. It will be displayed here. Then I click start. So I will wait. It is still loading. So after booting, you can either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I can first try Ubuntu. I click on try Ubuntu. So on try, what you will do, you will test how Ubuntu is working. You can do everything by trying, but the software will be running on the image, so it is not installed yet. So you can test everything, its environment, and then know how Ubuntu will be working once it is installed. So as you can see, you see that I am in a trial mode. It means that here I can see how Ubuntu works. I can test it. I can test anything on how Ubuntu is working. After you are satisfied, you can choose to install Ubuntu. So you can see videos, anything. After checking everything, you can choose to install Ubuntu. So I can click here to install Ubuntu. Here, double click. After that, this window will come. I choose English and I click continue. Then I have to choose the language. You will see that the installation is almost the same as Redhat. Then I choose normal installation. You can download updates while installing Ubuntu or not. Here I forgot. I have to untick this. If you want, okay. So I choose normal installation, or you can put minimum installation. So I put the normal, then continue. So I can choose custom installation. I can put can choose erase disk and install one here. If I choose erase and install one, it means it will delete anything or any data or any partition on my disk, and it will install Ubuntu or over the disk. Everything will be erased. I click install now. So then I click continue. It is asking me if you want to proceed with the installation, that all data and partition will be deleted and the disk will be formatted using ext4 file format. I click here continue. I choose the location. Here it is. Here you can click here to go to Kigali, or you can type Kigali here. But if you are connected to internet, it will come immediately. So I can change here, or I can delete this and type Kigali. Kigali. I put Kigali Rwanda like this, no problem, and then click continue. Then I have to put my name. I put the Gatuti computer name. Ubuntu. Username is Gatete, password I can put TT 20 20 like this. So you require to the password to log in and click continue like this. So now it is copying the file to the computer. So as it is now, so then after the installation is finished here, you can click continue testing. You stay in testing mode, or you can restart your computer. You click restart. Then it will say you remove the installation media, for example the CD or flash disk. You remove it and you press enter. You press enter like this. So here to remove, here you check if the installation of Ubuntu image is unticked. So here it is unticked. As it is unticked, okay. So you restart it again. You will have to wait. It will take longer because I am using a VirtualBox, but there is no problem. So now my username will come, I click it, and then I put the password, then I click sign in. So as you can see here, I have installed the Ubuntu operating system through VirtualBox. So you have installed two operating system, Red Hat and Linux Ubuntu. So we use both of them. Sometimes we use Linux UNIT in spite of Ubuntu because both are the same. So in the next session we are going to see to start using those operating system. Okay, thank you.